guys, we're gonna make sculptures.
Pakita natin yung sculptures natin.
Okay, she's is Beauty and the Beast. Mine is Rapunzel. We're gonna paint.
Okay.
So,
Let's make a heart here sa video.
put your brush in the water first. And okay, so open the Oh yeah, I forgot.
Anong open ko?
Open mo yellow. Okay?
So hard. Ah.
All brushes are done. Okay?
Ano yung brown, orange, and red?
Yeah. I will get some paint there. Can I get some little paint?
Kanina po yan. Ah, si Nika. Wait lang. Tawagin mo si Nika.
Anika!
Akasan mo, may naghanap ka.
Anika!
Pumunta ka doon sa hagdan. Bingi yun. Dali mo. Wait lang po.
Anika! Order mo! Alay daw siyang order.
Ay, sabi mo may naghahanap sa'yo. Ano ka ba?
Sorry? I'm just gonna... I don't know how to cut that out of the video. Man, there's so little paint. Look how little is that.
Wow. Sabi mo may naghahanap sa kanya ay.
Okay. Now, may naghahanap sa'yo! Halika, may naghahanap sa'yo! Tingnan, huwag ko na nga tawagan.
Nasaan ba siya?
Taas lang, tamad.
Ah, wait lang. Di naman nag-brown eh. It didn't change.
Okay lang yan, orange na lang.
Sabi ni Jaden order daw eh. Si Ate Sai. Si Yago pala yun, bes, oh.
Tapos lang sa buhok. Anin ko na yung flower.
Ano?
Anin ko na yung flower. Can I show you? Ow, I got paint on my hand. Oh. Okay, done with the hair. How many minutes? Oh, it's been 3 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna shadow the
What?
The
The yellow?
yeah. This how, when I get paint over my hands, I just dip it in the water. You know? Classic. Canon. Now give me the pink. Mine is actually turning good. Yours is like a mix up, It's okay. Just put more orange on it because you're putting more,
Hirap buksan. Ano ba, orange?
Pink?
I think ba?
Just gonna mix my brush in there. Tanggal all of the
Ah.
paint.
I think kailangan ko ito.
Okay, and then,
Mixing pad.
and then I'm doing the flower. Kaya maliit yung inano ko. Kasi just
Water, please.
Okay, here's some water. Okay, this one. Okay. You can see on the bottom there's like little things. in the bottom. I have two cameras right now, one on the tablet and one on the cell phone.
Yeah. It's not yet done.
Okay, I
Hirap
just did.
pala.
Okay, I just did the flower. You see?
Wow. Cute. Ay, umuulan na. Shit.
Let's put more Can we leave that brush in?
Mm-hmm.
And then,
Mm.
pwede na to, mix na, open mo yung blue. Kasi, feeling ko pag ni-mix mo yung
Mm.
yung purple tsaka blue.
Mm.
And then, can you open the blue so I can mix them? We did bags, they're not free.
Mm. Ganda ng pang paint mo. So pretty. Me! Me! Wala na din pasok sa Tuesday. Oo.
Ito yung best shade yung nakuha ko. Ito yung best shade yung nakuha ko.
Kikita ba tayo sa video?
Oo, nakikita tayo. I'm doing the dress. This is the best shade that I can do, Ate Len. And then look, it kind of looks like purple.
Nag-mix ka din ha. Kaya-kaya ko talaga.
Ala naman purple kasi. Okay, mag-mix lang ako. Ito yung best na shade makuha ko sa purple.
Saan? Wow. Oo.
Sa buka pa din.
Eh, ang hirap eh.
Gusto mo parang kita mga malalaking brush?
Hindi, okay na to.
Malaking brush para mabilisan ka.
Sige. You need to mix color again.
Ito yung best na shade ko makuha. Itong purple.
Okay.
Mix ko lang yung blue to dun sa
Red. And pati orange.
I forgot her top. Let's put it up. I can color. I can do.
Mhm.
Okay. Then, to?
Mm.
Friendly. Friendly. So pwede mo lang i-wash off. Ng eco-friendly. Sobrang simple ng akin. Ganda. Okay, I have to let this dry. Okay, I'm just gonna wash my hands. Look at that. Look at this. I have two cameras on. So look, it's a double me. It's a double me. Yeah, I see my other self in the other camera. You cannot see it. I will show you the camera after I'm just gonna...
Tsaka mag-wash.
Inside. Okay, I'll show you the camera.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera.
No. I'm done with the hair.
Okay, do the dress. There's already yellow. Okay. Ano? This is just too much. Why can I not tangle the purple?
Saan yung yellow ko? Wait lang. Yellow lang ba kulay niyan, Bes?
Yes. At saka ano, pwede din o, ano, check mo ulit.
Yellow lang pala.
Okay, there we go. Okay, I'll show you my second camera. Oh, I got it on my pants. It's my second camera. Okay, it's right there. There's my second camera. Okay, there's my second camera. Okay, what happened? Oh, it just glitched.
The glitch.
It just glitched. Okay, I'm just gonna let this dry and then do the other part of the hair.
Okay.
Yeah, you know you have to do the skin, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's almost dried. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Close this. Can you close the blue? Hi. Let's try this higher. Get a little faster. Close and then close the pink and open the yellow. Open the yellow.
Yan.
I'm almost done. I cannot hawak. I'm just gonna crawl here. It's not dangerous, right? Yeah. Ah!
Okay. Tuyo na ba? Tuyo na yung head.
Just gonna get some yellow. Okay. Mommy's in the crayfish like in the last video in the short.
Are you done?
Almost. Is the hair dry? It's a little bit sticky, but it's dry. It's almost dry. Now, did you use this? You didn't tell me.
Okay, ano mo pa yan?
This is the perfect shade of orange.
Mm.
Why did you not use the perfect shade? Just put some more yellow so it can be light on the hair. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. Okay, it's done. Mine's done. Okay, I'm just gonna let it dry and I'm just gonna show you what Ate9 comes up with. Do you see it?
Ano yung nakikita?
See it? Then I'm gonna show you creation later. Okay, so Mama! That was embarrassing. Go to my room. Go to my room. It's pitch dark. Okay. I want to make candle. So I'm just gonna get this. Let's make some candle after this painting. Okay, let's go. Let's go outside. Kunanan! Can we make candle? are making candle.
Uy, ano yun?
Candle.
Candle. I-post mo na yung video mo. Mapupulo yan.
And then, this is, two videos in one. Where am I gonna put this? No one open the door.
Bakit? Ano ba gagawin?
I want to make candle. For sure, need ko inanan. Inanan! Please na, ikaw na. Sige na, nagpa-paint ka si Ate Nani. Sige na. You don't know where I'm in. Then what can you do? Are you okay? Are you okay?
No. Si Ate Len na daw.
Sige na nga, ikaw na nga. Sige na, ikaw na.
Huwag na, later na lang.
Okay, please.
Mag-iinit-init pa tayo eh.
Please. Please, Nanan.
Hanapin mo yung pangluto mo. Tanong mo kay Mami.
Okay.
Ayun na lang para mabilis yung luto.
Anan, do yourself.
Okay.
Para doon lang tayo magluluto.
Pwede yung pang ganito?
Hindi. Yung yung electric cooker mo kamo.
Ang tali.
Hindi, yung niya, yung electric na lutuan. Alam mo yun, May?
Pero ito pwede yung lagyan ng kandila.
Para doon na lang
Didikit na
magluluto.
Ano, saan ba yun?
Hirap yan sa kalan. Malakas masyado.
Napahanap mo kayo, ala na laro dito. May paalala.
Mine. That's yours. Ooh. Are you done? Wait. Oh, she has a flower. It's mine of an accessory.
Ah. Yung tali ko ba? Yung marami? Yung straw ba? Ay, nandoon pa. Saan? Saan? Hindi. Kila Andrea lang. Siya nagtanggal eh. Ito alam sa mga TikTok affiliate. Purple.
Let's prepare!
Yung regalo mo kay Jada?
Prepare.
Ganda. Ah, sino mas maganda? I-show mo.
Okay, so vote in the comments. Mine, Rapunzel, or hers? Beauty and the Beast.
Anong kulay gusto mo?
I want yellow.
Ay, hindi pwede ito na plastic. Amin na nga yan. Ano nga pala.
Init mo na ako.
Okay, prepare ko lang to.
Yung kutsarang wooden.
Na, kutsara. Wooden. Hindi ko alam bakit may kasamang crayons.
May mga sticker pala eh.
Ala naman yan. Kakat mo pa yun. Hindi ko alam.
Ako, tulungan kita.
What is this thing? Wait, meron pa silang libreng crayons.
Wow! Ang galing!
Meron na lang ang pakulay. Ayun o, yung
Oo nga, sobrang artistic.
wax crayons. Gananan! Gananan! Bakit may kasama ang crayon? Papa! Paano ka doon sa panda? Pwede pera naman yung cup mo. Bakit may crayon? Okay,
Ilan na nagawa mong candle?
isa pa lang.
Isa pa lang yan.
Test lang. And then,
Gusto ko star yung shape.
di, meron pang heart. Meron pa siyang,
Ganito, may ganito siya.
ano yan, huwag mo na yan pakialaman. It's already been 20 minutes.
Tignan na eh.
Heart.
Urong mo yung phone mo. Ay, pag may lumabas, masisira yung phone mo.
Hindi. Sige na nga sa paa mo na lang.
Dito na lang ako, sa box.
You're fine. Hindi naman nakaano. Paa mo na lang. Okay, so we have circles.
Kunin mo yung iPad ko.
Okay, I'll get your iPad.
Ayun na.
Hindi ako marunong mag-edit para maglaro ako ng Roblox tapos may tiny screen.
Ako edit. Ano mo edit?
Okay, so we have this. Still smells like last time.
Pwede yung lagyan ng pabanguhay.
Tingnan mo. Meron pa silang libreng crayons.
Para saan yan?
Crayons, hindi yung crayons lang eh.
Crayons ay.
Tingnan mo, crayons.
Look, para saan?
Para,
Asa ba instruction? Kasi.
Ayun mo.
crayons to eh. Meron pang skin color. Meron ng pang
Ay,
kulay.
ito yung pang ano.
Okay, that's pang Don't pakialam that.
Galing.
Then, wag mo na pakialam lahat. Mawawala si Wii. Okay, ito yung
Pa yan?
cinematic extractions. Ito, tingnan mo.
Ay, patingin nga. Basahin ko.
Tingnan ko lang yung mga picture eh. Ano to? Crayons?
Ay, yung crayons pwede. Oo, pang kulay yung crayons. Kunyari, gusto mo color. Pwede halo doon.
Pwede ko na lang ito pampasok. Itong crayons, ito. Wax base to, Wax base.
Oo, ay ba't ayaw niya isama?
Meron na pang eh.
May pang kulay na.
Crayons na to, look. Skin color pink, red. Sobrang artsy naman ng crayons na to. It's so artsy. I'm not embarrassed even though I said artsy. I cannot put this together. And then, for all ages, so, tingnan mo.
Mm.
For all ages, 6 plus. I'm not gonna tell you where I live. We're gonna just creep up in my house.
Okay.
Why did you say okay? Okay. I don't know what this red is. I'm just gonna dance. Wait, just close your eyes.
Mm. Pwede yan pang talent, pang design mo, no?
I hope Asher watches this.
Sige, sabihin ko. Upload mo na lang.
I hope Asher watches this. Oh, what's that?
Asan yung pang shade natin?
It's right there.
Eh, ba't di may bigay kay Nan?
Kailangan pa niya pour dito. Okay, we have stars, fish. I think this video is gonna be 30 minutes long. Because it's already 27.
Buti kita.
Guess what's the poison? Guess where this is?
Asan yung mga fragrance?
Say it or left or right in the comments, and I'll reveal it in the next video. It's fun. Got it right. Like and subscribe. Okay, I got the birds when I say that. Let me just see this wax base. Crayons. This is wax base. Oh, this video is 30 minutes long. Didn't know that. These are shorter than I expected. Ooh, I dropped some crayons.
As you have noticed, a small cardboard code is given in the package. Ito yan!
Kung ano yan?
Oh, ito. Ito yung, kunyari, i-gift mo siya. Pwede mo siyang gawing card. Ito, oh. Ayan, oh.
Wait,
Magiging ganito yung itsura niya, oh.
Okay, wait,
Wait lang, babasahin ko.
Huwag mo patay yung pin. Pwede mo itong ano yung
Oo, pang gift natin. Asan na yung, molder mo ba? Buksan mo na yung pinto.
Okay, amin na.
Saan mo? Sobrang init ito. Huwag mo nga ano niya. Huwag mo hawakan.
Sige, heart. First the mold.
Akin yung candle. Hindi na. Ito nga yung mold mo.
Ayaw ko kaya yung mold.
Akin yung wick.
Gusto ko kaya yung mold.
Kumuha ka muna ng wick.
Wait.
May ayaw nyo daw dito ay.
Halin mo na lang.
Uy, ang initan ng phone mo, eh. May video.
No! Here you go.
Ay, hindi yan. Ano dito?
Where are they? Halin mo.
Ito ba? Ay, ito nga. Okay.
Hakaka.
Ipipilip yung mga ganito, bes, oh.
And then, huwag muna, di na muna namin gigit. Look what I can do. And spin it.
Oo,
Oh,
mga
what
sa
is
mall.
it?
Kuha
Ay,
ka sa
heart,
mall.
heart.
Akin na sa pang-week.
Why?
Agay!